Hey guys, I am back with a second Walgreens video for this week. That means, yes, there was a first Walgreens video. So if you missed it, it came out on Sunday. I will pin it down in the comments below. But I show you all the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week, as well as what I picked up for free doing the Healthy Summer Bonus. But today, now I noticed online when I was on the Walgreens website, they have a promotion for spend $60, get $20 in Walgreens cash. That is an online promo, but you can also do it for curbside pickup, and you can combine it with other spend boosters as well as offers. So I'm going to show you how I got $73 worth of products completely free and how you can score it for free and possibly a $30 moneymaker. So let's get into it. Now, first of all, when you go to the Walgreens website, you're going to see the spend $60, get $20 in Walgreens cash promo. Now, I did this with my spend booster that I had clipped, which is spend $25, get $10 in Walgreens cash. Now, there is one last piece of this, but I'm going to tell you about that at the very end. Let's talk about the deals I did. Now, you can pick $60 worth of anything you want. I'm just going to show you what I picked up. I got the Planters Peanuts 2 for $5. There's a $1.50 digital coupon. That makes it $3.50 for both of them, or just $1.75 each. We needed peanut butter, so I picked up Skippy peanut butter. It's 2 for $6. There's a $1 digital coupon, which makes it 2 for $5. Now, I did a couple razor deals because I had high value digital coupons and there were promos on these products. So the Gillette Labs, this is $25.99. It's buy one, get $5 in Walgreens cash. Now, I had a $10 digital coupon, so I paid $15.99. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash. That makes it $10.99 before our boosters. The Gillette Fusion, these 8 counts, these are $35.99. Spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. There's a $5 Walgreens store digital, and I had a $15 manufacturer digital. So I paid $15.99, got $5 in Walgreens cash, making it just $10.99 total. Now, I told you I was working towards the spend $60, get $20. That means we have to be at least $60 before tax and after any store coupons or promo codes come off. So my total for all of this before coupons was $72.98. Now I have to subtract that $5 store digital because that's going to count against the spend deal. So that means for the spend deal, I have $67.98. That number has to be at least 60, and I'm at $67.98. Now then I had the $1.50 coupon here, the $1 coupon here, $10 coupon, and $15 coupon, bringing my total down to $40.48. I placed this as a curbside order. I went, I picked it up. I got back $20 in Walgreens cash for spending $60. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $25 on my digital booster. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying the Gillette. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20 on this Gillette. I also got back $4 on Rakuten because they're currently giving 10% cash back when you shop through Rakuten, leaving my final cost to be completely free and a $3.52 moneymaker. Now, let's talk about Rakuten really quick because this is how you get to that $30 moneymaker. Rakuten is a website that you go to that will reroute you to other websites and give you a percentage in cash back. It is completely free to use. Now, new users, if you use my link that I'm going to drop down below, you will get $30 in cash back the first time you spend at least $30. Okay? So if you did this exact scenario, you'd get back all the Walgreens cash I just talked about, plus an additional $30 back from Rakuten, making it a huge moneymaker. So if you're brand new, use the link below, you sign up for Rakuten, you then type in Walgreens, it will reroute you to Walgreens, and you shop just as you normally would, check out just as you normally would. Now, if you already have Rakuten, of course, you're not going to get the $30 back for being a new user, but you will get 10% cash back because that is what the cashback percentage is as of today. I have no idea how long it's going to stay 10%. Typically, it is 2% cash back. Now, if that wasn't good enough, don't forget that Gillette is a Procter & Gamble product. That means we can submit our receipt to pggoodeveryday.com. We get points for buying Procter & Gamble products, and we can redeem those points for gift cards. Again, that program, completely free. I'll drop a link to it down below if you're not signed up already. You get access to coupons, to rebates, and then of course you submit your receipts, you get points, then you can redeem for gift cards. I redeemed for a $5 gift card, I think early last week, and there are multiple places that you can use the gift card too. Now, one last thing I want to tell you since I have you here. I am coming out with a few videos this summer. Hopefully one will be super soon, and then the next one I'm hoping to be out next week, but they're going to have giveaways with them. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything. But also if you hit the notification bell, you'll get a notification when I have a new video come out. I know a few people have said lately that they've been missing the videos or they haven't seen them. So if you click that little notification bell, that should allow you to be notified when I have a new video come out. Now, again, grab the items that you want for this deal. Do it quickly because I don't know how long that 10% cash back is going to last with Rakuten. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments below. If your store doesn't have stock on some of these items or you don't have some of the coupons that I mentioned, look for high-value manufacturer digital coupons. You could also look for offers that give Ibotta rebates. You could look at some of the offers that I did in my video on Sunday. You could incorporate those into this spend 60, get 20 as well. You make it work for you. Let us know down in the comments what you think is the best deal. That way it gives other people some ideas as well. Thanks.